So the sidebar that you see right here behaves in a certain way, and if you want to go around and change around its behavior, then you can go around and click on the three dot button and then go to settings. So once you go around over here, you can go around onto the sidebar section right here, and over here you can see that you can show and hide this sidebar right here. But what you can also do is personalize my top sites in customize a sidebar. So when on this is on, will personalize the top site shown within the customized sidebar based on your browsing history and activity as well. So based on what you do right here, then what happens is that it will be customized. It allows the sidebar apps to show notification as well. So whatever sidebar apps you have notifications for that particular sidebar app. You can go around and disable it altogether over here as well. So over here you can see that there's sidebar specific settings, like for example there's copilot settings. You can go around and disable it, or you can go around and enable it. You can automatically open copilot in sidebar right here, and you can also allow Microsoft to access base content right here, just like this, or you can show shopping notifications. Let me just go around and back, and over here you can see that there's, like, let's say for example Microsoft 365. So you can go around and automatically open Office Inside panel. So if I were to go around and disable this, then you can see that I have this out right here. So I can go around and then enable this out right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go around and click on this, and what happens is that it says allow links from different Windows Surface OS to open Office in side pane when Microsoft Edge is launched, but you can go around and disable this out as well. So let me just go around and then manage out site permissions, and here you can enable and disable different site permissions as well. Similarly over here in tools, you can see that there's only site permissions, and over here whatever custom apps that you bring in, it comes up over here, and you can go around and manage site notifications for those right here as well. Now let me just go back right here onto sidebar, and then this is what you have, and these are simply what you can do with the sidebar settings. So small number of settings right here, but some customization can be done just like that. And that is how you can work around with sidebar settings inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe